I'll show you the best xTool coupon code. Now you can see right now I have an exclusive member welcome. I can sign in to unlock a member-only perks like member exclusive coupons, 100% point reward to redeem rewards, and 2% cashback on every order. Now you can see you can get to this link by going to the promo code link I'm going to show on the screen right now. Now, by pressing on that link, you can get this promo really easily. You can get a lot of these printers for discounted price like these. You can see it's now $3,700 from $5,000, just like that. You can see there's a lot more that you can find here as well. All of it is discounted, of course. Here you can see discounted and also discounted. It's all pretty good deals. Even this one used to be $2,000, but now you can get it for just 959 Canadian dollars. Oh, sorry, it's US dollars, right? So you can get this printer for really, really cheap like this. And all you have to do is to click on the link I'm gonna show on the screen right now. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.